In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Ford Taurus. I'm going to start by pressing the button on the dash to power it up. And press it a second time. We're going to use the control buttons on our steering wheel here. By pressing the left arrow, it's going to bring us to our menu on the left-hand side of the screen. We're going to use our down arrow to bring this down to settings. Press the OK button. Press it again for vehicle. Use the down arrow to bring us to the oil life reset. Press the OK button, and this is oil life remaining. We're going to hold the OK to reset. Oil life has been reset to 100. We can press the button on the dashboard off. Hold the brake and start the vehicle. And everything has been recalibrated at this point.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.